So today I'm going to quickly show you how to change your YouTube custom URL. As of this recording, you do need 100 subscribers to be able to go through this process and get your URL changed. Now I am on my YouTube Studio dashboard on my main channel over here, so we're going to just quickly show you how to do this. On the left side of the screen, there's an option that says customization. So we're going to go ahead and click right over here. And at the top of the customization section, you're going to see three options, and we're going to want to go to the basic information. So we click right over here, and then towards the center of the screen here, I'm going to actually go ahead and zoom in here for us. You're going to see two URLs. You're going to see your actual channel URL. This is not something you can change. This will always be here. And then you're going to see the option for custom URL. So you can see mine is youtube.com/c/truefinancials. I can delete it normally if I want to and then change it. But if you actually hover over the delete option right now, there is currently a temporary update going on right now that doesn't allow you to do it. But on a normal basis, this is where you can go ahead and click on to do a customization on your URL or delete your current one and then be able to change it to the new URL. Now, if you got value out of this video, I want to show you how to get views through search by using a software called TubeBuddy, and my video is going to be right over here on screen for you to go through that process and learn.